Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fantastic Tinkercad tutorial, so let's get cracking. Friends, today's project is going to start from our Tinkercad dashboard. I'm going to tell you that you can just simply click on the gallery. This is a fun project for you personally, or you could also suggest it to your teacher. It is a new staff favorite, Celtic knot tiles, examples, and primitives. Of course, it is set to copy and tinker, so don't forget the golden rule of Tinkercad. Give a reaction before you copy and tinker. One extra little bonus about today's project, you can also find it on printables.com. This is a great view of the wicked cool cat I'll show you in a second. Once again, thanks Jerry for sharing. You'll also notice below there is a PDF and tons of instructions. You will undoubtedly find these useful. Of course, I'll have a link to this in the description as well. So after a moment the project has loaded, here are two examples of how things can be made. So these projects are fantastic because you can actually see the knots as they intertwine and make the fun shape. It is all built with these primitives and you just nudge them into place as you make your cool creation. If you check out those PDFs, there are lots of tips. I am just going to quickly make a pattern on my own. The first thing I'm going to do is switch to a 5mm nudge. What that does is allows me to put these together quicker because they are built on a 20 by 20 grid. So let's make something cool. I'm going to do Control D. I'm going to nudge this over and into my workspace. And then if I just grab this one, watch this. Once again, Control D so I never lose my original. I can snap it into place and bingo, they line up just like that. Let's just have some fun with this and do Control D, Shift nudge, and I'm going to use the mirror tool to flip it like this. All of a sudden, those can snap in like that. And are you ready for this? We have almost instantly built a Celtic heart. Now, of course, the more parts you use, the cooler they get. I will note that Jerry mentions sometimes he draws a sketch of what he's trying to build, so that way it's easier to arrange the parts as he assembles them. I think this is a fantastic project that would be a blast in any classroom, and it's obvious why it earned a staff favorite. Friends, as you can see, I have been having fun fiddling with this. I do want to alert you to a couple things. The project launches in flat view. I'm going to select this item and I'm going to do fit view. So we zoom in and it looks best from the top. If you look at it from the side, it's a little goofy. But to get back to the typical view, all you do is switch to perspective view. And now from the side, you can see that better. Of course, friends, flat view and top is real easy to get back to, and it's super handy as you're building. Once again, I want to thank Jerry for sharing, and I hope you all have fun making sweet Celtic knots. Friends, as I wrap up, let's check out my website one more time. Of course, I've got the page dedicated to Tinkercad. Tons of amazing categories. Below that, you'll find the Day 1 favorites, the useful starters, and the Tinkercad essentials. Friends, you'll also find the sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. I do also want to highlight the course Tinkercad in 20 Days that you can find on cadclass.org. All the information you need is in that video. Also, don't forget the link to the Tinkercad community Discord. As you can see, there are a boatload of members, and it's a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, don't forget you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.